Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a form in Monday.com from start to finish. Whether you want to gather project requests, feedback, or team signups, mastering forms will help you collect and organize information effortlessly. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a sleek, customized form ready to go live. Let's get started right away. The first thing you'll want to do is prepare your board columns. Think of your Monday.com board as the backbone of your form. Each column becomes a question or input on your form. So take a moment to map out exactly what information you need to collect. For short answers like names or short notes, add a text column. If you need longer explanations, say project descriptions or feedback, go for a long text column. To keep things neat and standardized, use status, dropdown, or checkbox columns for choices like priority level, department, or agreement to terms. If you need to gather email addresses, use the email column, which ensures submissions are properly formatted. And if you want to immediately assign form entries to someone on your team, add a people column. Setting this up carefully is worth it, because the clearer you make these columns, the easier it will be for people to fill out the form and for you to work with the data later. With your board set, let's add the form view itself. On your chosen board, look for the plus Add View button. It's usually near the top, next to where your board views are listed. Click that, and then select Form from the menu. Monday will automatically create a basic form, pulling in all the columns you've set up. This is one of the best features because Monday.com does most of the groundwork for you, so you're not starting from a blank page. Now, let's slow down and customize the form so it's truly yours. As soon as you're in the form view, look over to the right. You'll find the settings panel. Here, you can reorder fields just by dragging them up and down, making sure the most important questions are front and center. If you notice any fields that don't need user input, like an auto number column or fields meant for internal tracking, simply uncheck them to hide them from the form. Making fields required is an important step. If there's information you absolutely need, tick the required box so no one can skip it. Customizing labels and placeholders helps too. You can tweak the display name for each field to make questions clearer without messing up your board structure. For example, change a column named Project Name to What is the name of your project? If that's friendlier for your users. Don't forget to add a welcoming introductory message at the top. A short title and a few lines describing your form's purpose can make a world of difference in encouraging thoughtful responses. And if you're on the Pro or Enterprise plan, you can take it even further by adjusting the color scheme, uploading a logo, or changing the header image so the form matches your brand style. Next up, configuring the submission settings. You'll want to decide what happens after someone hits Submit. You can edit the thank you message, make it warm and personal to show you value their input. There's also an option to redirect users to a different web page, like your company's homepage, or maybe a follow-up resources page. Plus, you can set up automations to assign new submissions to a specific person. This is a huge time saver if multiple people handle incoming requests, or if you want to triage submissions right away. Once your form is customized and all your settings are dialed in, it's time to share it with the world. Hit the Share Form button at the top right of the screen. Monday gives you a direct link you can send via email, post in a chat, or even share on social media. Or if you want to integrate it more seamlessly, copy the HTML embed code to drop the form directly into your website or intranet. And just like that, every submission you receive will pop up as a new item on your Monday.com board, ready for you or your team to take action. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with a specific part of the form process. And if you want more Monday.com tips and workflow tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.